Hello users, today I want to discuss with you about the Bind Accessibility Service used in our app Translate Screen Translator. This accessibility service is used to detect and read text display on your screen. This is required because the app have to translate text instantly without switching in any other app. As you can see that here, this is the icon of our app. Just click on here, and this is the landing. This is the uh, floating bubble translator page. Here, just you have to click on this, and as you can see, first, as you can see that here, to start this accessibility service, there is a clear button, start translating is mentioned. You just click on, by clicking on here, accessibility service permissions, and how we collect this permission and how it works are properly mentioned. And after that, you just click on I allow the app to use, to give allow permission with user consent. Here this is, and as you can see here, this is the floating bubble here, as you can see. And just go out on, um, first select your desired language in which you want to translate. I want to translate in Arabic. Just select the Arabic language and go back and go on that page where you want to translate instantly without switching the app. I just click on any and just drag and drop. As you can see that here, it's translated without switching the app. It's translating, as you can see here, without switching the app. uh, this accessibility is used only when you make it enable from the app. We don't track, store, or misuse of on-screen content of our valuable users. You can make disable this permission anytime in the system settings. Thank you for using our app. Thank you.